Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of the area of this one that should be about the integration from A to B. So we have the upper function minus about the lower function. So in this situation, the upper function that is about this one, the lower function that is about this one. Now about the bounds, we can see that this intersection in here that is about negative a over 3 to this location in here because they stop in this area. So that's about number 0. So we have the integration from negative a over 3 to number 0. The upper function that is about s plus number 5 minus about this one, the lower function. Now, in this situation, we have the integration from negative 8 over 3 to number 0. So s minus negative s plus s over number 2, that is about 3s over number 2. Number 5 minus number 1, we have positive number 4. So the integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 4, that is about 4s. And now we put the bounds from negative 8 over 3 over number 0. And now we put number 0 gone here. Negative 8 over 3 gone here. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one and we have 16 over number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.